What is up, everyone? Welcome back to brand new video. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you a premium ROM on Vmos Pro, and the ROM that I'm going to be sharing with you on this time is gonna be with a root SS on it. Google Play Store is gonna be working perfectly, where you're going to be able to download some games application. Xposed the installer as well is gonna be working perfectly, so the link will be available on the description of this video. You can download it from there. So let's get started. But before we get started, I wanna ask you, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, activate the notification to get notified about no video, and let's get started. So as I just said, I'm going to be sharing with you a premium ROM on Vmos Pro. The ROM that I'm going to be sharing with you on this time is going to be with Android 7.1.2. It's going to be with root SS. It's going to be with a Google Play Store. It's going to be working perfectly. Xposed the installer as well. It's going to be working perfectly. So let's get started by making a change on your Android device. So click on the setting icon on your Android device. Scroll down to the option about phone or about device. We need to activate developer option. So I have already enabled developer option. I'm just gonna be showing you how to do that. About phone, that's the option. About phone or about device, click on it, and then you're going to find this option saying build the number. Click on build the number around 7 times to activate the developer option. So you can see, no need, you are already a developer. I have already did that. Once you have enabled developer option, just return, and you will have the developer option on the list of your Android device. If you can find this option, developer option, just click right over here in the corner, in the chasing icon right over here. Click on it, and then you're going to type developer option, and you will have the developer option. Just click on it. If it is disabled, just like this, just click right over here and this icon to enabled. All right, we are going to make some change. It's 100 in your device. This is a step that we are going to make. It's only going to make the Vmos Pro work faster, so you don't need to worry about it. Scroll down, make sure to enable this option right over here, USB debugging mode enabled. Click OK. If it asks you, it's going to ask you if you really want to do that. You don't need to worry about it. It's 100 in your device. Just click OK to proceed. Scroll down, make sure to put the animation off. A window animation skill, put the animation off. Transition animation, do the same process, put the animation off. Animator saturation, put the animation off as well. Animate the window animation off. Transition animation off. Animator saturation, animation off. Scroll down, make sure to enable this one over here saying force GPU rendering. Enable the package over here in the corner. Scroll down, make sure to enable this one over here as well saying 44x MSAA enabled. Alright, now what you're going to do, you need to download this application, the Vmos Pro. The link will be available on the description of this video. Download this application, install it on your Android device. Don't need to worry about it. The application, it doesn't have a virus, it is 100% safe. Just download the application from the description of this video, install it on your Android device, and what you're going to do, once you have the application, the Vmos Pro, installed on your Android device, you are going to download the file, the ROM that I'm going to be sharing with you. The link will be as well available on the description of this video. The link of this file, I'll give the link in the description of this video. Download. Once you have this file, download it on your Android device. What you're going to do is to create a new folder, name it as a Vmos Pro, as I did right over here. Open the folder that you have created and create another folder on it and name it as backup, as I did right over here. And on the backup folder, put the file, the row on the backup folder. All right, now open the application, the Vmos Pro that you have downloaded. Open it up, give you all the permission to the application. It's gonna be asking you to give you all the control to the application. You don't need to worry about it. The application, it doesn't have a virus, it is 100% safe. I have it already did that. In my case, I'm just gonna be clicking right over here. It's virtual machine, clicking on it. By doing that, it will just up this window because I'm not connected on internet. You don't need to worry about it. We don't need internet connection. Just click right over here on this three dots right over here in the corner. Clicking on it, we are going to add a virtual machine. By doing that, it will show that it will open up this three option. Clicking on the first one, which is saying virtual machine, clicking on it. By doing that, it will appear there, the room, the premium room. Just click on it. By doing that, the Vmos Pro will ask you if you really want to do that. Just click right over here on start rec. which is me. So as to recover, we are going to recover a virtual machine. Clicking on it. By doing that, Vmos Pro will start recovering the file. What you have to do, just be patient and wait. It won't take too long, just 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depending on your device. Just wait a little bit. Okay, as you can see, the room has initialized. It's gonna be just like this. First of all, we need to make some change on this room to make it work faster. So click on the setting icon. We need to activate developer option as we did on the start. So scroll down, select the option about emulated device, clicking on it. Developer option. The process is the same as we did on the start. As I just said, enable USB debugging mode, a window animation skill, put the animation off, it is already disabled. 40GB render enabled, 44xMSAA enabled as well. Alright, as I just said, root SS installed, a Google Play Store installed, Xposed installed as well, installed, working perfectly easy and simple. And if you want to add some application on this system, some a photograph or something like that, just click right over here on this icon, the Vmos Pro icon, click on it and it will open this window. Click right over here on transfer. There you're going to be able to download to transfer some files, some application, even video and music or something like that. Easy and simple. Okay guys, I will start from. Hope this video help you out. If this video help you out, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. Activate the notification to get notified about no video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.